Oh, we got a real beauty today. This is just like a polished ruby on wheels. It's a 1970 El Camino body off frame restored with just 500 miles on the show quality, meticulous restoration. Under the hood is upgraded with a modern street performance LT1 fuel injected motor. The interior is full leather, and I mean full leather buckets, remote power locks, power windows, all sorts of good stuff that this El Camino has, which I'll tell you all about. Go to volocars.com if you want to see 200 classic cars that are all for sale. Each one will have price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. There's going to be a QR code on the screen. You can scan that at any time and it'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, it's like a piece of wet candy. It's like a ruby sitting in a jewelry store showcase. The paint is absolutely beautiful. It looks its best out in the sunlight. Poof. And the fit and finish is amazing. Absolutely laser beam straight, every inch of it. The gaps are right on the money, square, flush, straight. No emblems on the side, nice and clean looking, no antenna. All this is pristine from the rockers to the roof. The doors line up beautifully. The jambs are as slick as the outside. Shuts nice and solid. One little nick down here on the edge. Absolutely straight, long quarter panels. The tailgate, all pristine. I mean, look at that. When I said every square inch of it is laser straight, I meant it. There's no funny stuff going on, no body work, little reflection. My hand in the finish, it's just amazing, outstanding everywhere. Look at the details, stainless hardware. All this is pristine. Door jambs, slick as the outside, shuts like a new car. All absolutely beautiful. I pointed out that one tiny little nick, and I think I found one other little one somewhere. Oh, I think it's up front here. I don't even know where it's at. The point I'm making, though, it's practically flawless. The metallic is laid out absolutely beautifully. It's a candy apple red metallic. And then the stripes are like a silver metallic, and you don't even feel them. This thing is polished like a piece of glass. It has the cowl induction hood with the flapper door, all the chrome, the grill, the bezels, the lenses, all that is fresh. All the stainless is polished. All the glass is crystal clear, all tinted glass. The rubber seals are replaced. Actually, this is new glass. Door handles are nice and shiny. And then it's sitting on some 15-inch American torque thrust 2 polished wheels with some nice beefy BFGoodrich tires on there. Got some Flowmaster polished tips. And then all the trim around the bed opening, all that's replaced. Again, the lenses, the bumper, all that's beautiful. The rear window is probably new. It's crystal clear. Fit and finish is amazing, 9.999. Let's see if the interior lives up to it. All right, let's start with the function of the tailgate. It functions just beautifully. So the latch, the mechanism, that's all been replaced. Yeah, it looks like it'll open here. Inside here is all clean. The rubber's replaced. And again, look at the detail to the paintwork. Even the inside of the tailgate. And then inside the bed, same absolutely beautiful paint. Now check out the floor. They didn't come with a wood floor. They were just painted metal. Someone custom made this. All polished oak with the stainless strips in the middle, and even has this red welting to fill in the gap around the edges. So that's a nice custom touch, and you can see the workmanship that went into it. When I tell you the quality is high on this car, if this quality was in a 69 Camaro, it'd be a $200,000 car. The jambs are pristine, some nice stainless hardware. The weather strips were replaced and fit nice. Now we're going to talk about a complete custom interior, and it is all leather. You're looking at a genuine leather door panel with the Alcantara inserts, nicely sculpted, billet hardware. And then when you come inside the car, First of all, we have a few sets of keys. We got a couple of key fobs with the power locks, and I think that's an alarm as well. But it's got an I did it tilt column, so I'm gonna light up the gauges is what I'm working on. Yeah, the Dakota digital, so it's got the old green color to it, so it looks authentic, but it's all digital. Very cool stuff. 507 miles on it. All of this is new. The instrument panel, heater control panel, a retro stereo fits right in the factory location. The dash pad's new. The vents, the glove box door, everything is just mint. It has leather kick panels with the speakers built in. It is an upgraded, nice plush carpet with bound edges, and has these really plush floor mats sitting on top of that. The center console, you can buy these consoles, but they actually reupholstered it in genuine leather. This whole thing's wrapped in leather. You got cup holders. You have the power locks and power window switches here as well. A nice compartment. The seats, nice sport seats, very comfortable. Again, all leather with the Alcantara stripe going down the middle of it. Let's see, forward. Because the backs of the seats all leather too. Give me a second. There's got to be a lever here. Flip these forward, I thought. Yeah, I know I did. Oh, standard button. Okay, what's that? All right, so there's a button here in the back. Now these are plastic seat backs. They even wrapped these in leather. They could have easily left that. No one's going to see it, but it's all leather. All leather back here, custom made. They've even made a locking compartment door going back into there. A little bit of paperwork will come with it. So this is all custom made. 6x9 speakers, the Alcantara stripe. This is wrapped in leather. Then we have 3-point retractable shoulder belts. Sculpted headliner, you guessed it, all leather, dual lights. Visors, yep, all wrapped in genuine leather. Even the pillars are wrapped in leather. Then you've got this nice cushion grip wheel, and again, it's on an I did it tilt column. All upgraded wiring in the car. The fuse block, it's all been updated. A very luxurious, meticulous interior. Now look at that. Is that not mechanical jewelry? Again, it reminds me of a jewelry showcase at a jewelry store. So that's an LT1. It's a 350 motor built by Street and Performance, making about 325, 350 horsepower. Fuel injected, has loads of chrome, painted covers, coated headers. Look how the wires are run neatly. Has the premium dipsticks for the motor and the trans. The firewall is all smoothed out and painted. All the hoses are braided stainless steel with the nice fittings. Look at all the clamps. Look how everything's just neatly done. The inner fenders are smoothed out. The original ones would have holes punched in them and that, but those are smoothed out and painted. There's a nice cover over the gel battery, nice cables. Up here, everything's painted high gloss, stainless hardware all over the place. Now the front of the engine, you can see for yourself, it's all highly polished brackets and AC compressor, polished hard lines, the pulleys, alternator, everything up here is polished. It's got an aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, nice clamps over the hoses. One of these is your reservoir for the power steering, and then it has a matching overflow bottle for the radiator. More stainless braided hoses, fully chromed master cylinder and brake booster, chrome cover over the wiper motor. The whole cowl is finished off with all the plastic and rubber, and it's got the vacuum to open and close the flapper door. Now even under the hood's finished off. This should be like an opening, but they've actually made this all nice and smooth, painted it, put these nice inserts in here. So they've also ceramic coated or some sort of coating on the hinges. But the amount of detail is just amazing. Michael's going to show you how nice it runs. See in a little bit.
Loving this El Camino. My favorite one that we've ever sold here at the museum. These seats are so comfortable. They really have like a cushiony luxury type feel to them. Very nice. And the engine, turnkey ready, fuel injected, overdrive transmission. Take a cruiser on the highway. Cowl induction flappers working. This one's just done right. The attention to detail is really something. Let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, we're doing over 60 miles an hour. She didn't miss a beat. Smooth running engine. Smooth truck all the way around. Really like having the center console here with the armrest. And sometimes, you know, the little things really make a huge difference. Let's see how the front end's set up here. Straight as an arrow alignment. Great build. Someone's really going to get an enjoyable vehicle with this one. Turn the key, cruise to your heart's content. I really like it. Contact our sales team if you'd like to come for a test drive, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So I told you this is body off frame restored. Underneath is just spotless too. All of the steering, suspension completely redone. All the components are clean. The whole brake system's been redone. Disc brakes in front, drum in back. The lines replaced. E-brake assembly all replaced. Has a nice sounding dual exhaust with polished stainless steel Borla mufflers. Fuel system was replaced, all compatible for the fuel injection, and the fuel lines that run to the front and back, I think they're the fuel lines, they're all polished stainless steel, looking really, really sharp and just nicely done. You look up at the motor, it's spotless, has a high torque starter, 200 R4 automatic transmission, so that's an overdrive. You can cruise down the road. I keep talking about how pristine this car is, but it's set up to be a very comfortable driver. Whether you're at a car show or cruising down the road, it's going to turn heads. Rebuilt drive shaft goes back to a 12-bolt rear end with 373 posi gears. That's a fun gear ratio. So everywhere you look, the harder you look, the deeper you look, this car gets better and better and better. Someone's really going to get an amazing value on this car right here. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this El Camino delivered to your door, financing, insurance. They can help with that too. Thanks for watching.